So the word more, we're going to use it here. And remember, when you're doing the M, you want to go, I'm thinking up high in my gosh. Hello, hello. That's it. You gotta think up high. You know, I mean, yes, I'm acting crazy. Yeah, what the heck? At least you can get the note. So you really think about humming right up high here. Here we go. We're going to do it nice and high. Falsetto, head voice. And remember, these are extending the range. They're giving height, brightness, and brilliance to your sound. That's what this area of the voice does. You don't have to sing there. You'd have to sing your songs there, but you need to warm up and vocalize the extent of your range. Very high and very low. Let's go. More. More, darling, more. Woo, I want more. There you go. Nice and easy. And don't hesitate, Marquita. Huh. Now don't push. Keep it light, keep it light. One more. More. She would make one mistake. Oh my gosh. All right, so nice and light, nice and easy. Don't push anything. Always keep the body up so you can take a nice big breath. When you take a good breath, this area will come out. Why? Because the diaphragm descended and pushed this area out. Where is the diaphragm? It's in my book. Oh my gosh. There it is. Shameless plug. I will not grow weary, Lord, though sometimes I do. Will not grow weary. It's on Amazon. And I have that group, Singing for a Lifetime. We do these exercises. I change them up all the time. If you've been here before, you know I've said that before. Okay, but I had to. I did. Okay, subscribe, ring that bell, cause it's such a day, such a mighty fine day, yeah. Woo! Bye, bye, bye.